So everybody, do you know me? 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 I like to go and work out today. I work out every day. I want to get my body right because of what I do today. So everybody, do you know me? 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 I want to see you straight happy and have a family. So when I'm doing something for you, because I want to see you too. So when I want to say about me, so everybody what you see. So everybody, do you know? So do you want to know about me? I want to see the people say, I had some fun today. Or when I get my workout on. So while we up and in a zone. So when you want to know about me, they said that where's your family? I'm over here to do my thing, but still I want to see it be. So even though you see about me, the people want to know about me. I like to go and work out though. I like to go and sing for a show. I want to go and say your name. I say your name in this game. I want to go and see you shine because of what I do in time. So people, do you know about me? 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 I used to be in the service. I fighting for the country. And then I guess I hurt my back. Had a surgery to on my back. But still I'm gonna grind today. I'm not gonna stop today. So people wanna know about me. So when you wanna know about me. So when you wanna know about me. The people wanna know about me. Some people want a family. Some people just want they cheese. Now guess what said, I want my peace. So please don't bother me. Unless you're gonna help me grow. And keep the peace for show. So when I say you know about me, I wanna say you know about me. The people wanna know about me. Or when you wanna know about me, I wanna go and show some love. And giving out some virtual hugs. I wanna go and see you shine. The fitness on my mind. I wanna go and do my thing. I wanna go fulfill my dream. My dream is just to do my thing. And go make you happy. The people wanna know about me. The people wanna know about me. So if you wanna know about me, you just gotta go ask me. So if you wanna know about me, an introvert to honesty, I just go in myself and don't mess with no one there. I looking like a window shop. I said, dang, she is hot, but still go back to me because I wanna keep my peace. Some people wanna know about me. I know you wanna know about me. You know I wanna keep my peace. Then why I'm not in these streets? I said, do you know about me? The people wanna know about me. I just wanna keep my peace. I said I wanna keep my peace. I said, do you know about